I have 2 trips to California planned.
Oh, for sake, what?
I have to go to TwitchCon.
Have to?
Yes.
No,
well, according to my manager, I have to. I have to.
You have a manager?
I do. Yes.
Come on, manager who? Who? A Twitch manager?
Yeah,
or like
a Twitch manager.
Okay, well, of course he wants you to go to TwitchCon. It's his job.
Yeah, because I have to go to TwitchCon in order to like propel myself forward. Because if I don't go to TwitchCon,
you have to.
Yes, because that's where all the partnerships are. That's in order how I move up to the next
sponsorships.
Yeah, sponsorships.
Get a actual manager, a real person who will go advocate for you for sponsorships and get you sponsorships.
But I don't have the money to do that.
No,
so
they take a cut.
They take a cut?
Yeah, they take a cut. They take like 25%.
So, but if then I lose more, or is
What?
that
No? They go get you sponsorships, and whatever they bring you, they get 25%. How much is this trip to TwitchCon?
It's gonna be like
how much?
It's gonna be like 3K, 2K.
I mean, you objectively can't afford that. You can't.
But then also, then I have another one too. So I have like.
What's your other one?
That one's in June. That one's called,
what is it?
It's called Off-Kai. That one is like a VTuber only convention.
Okay, don't go to that one.
Okay, but
don't go to that one.
But that one's just for VTubers, and that one has a lot of like. It has more opportunity for VTuber growth.
Why are you doing this? Come on, we are so close to the end, man. We are so close. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? We are so close.
But it's just in the budget, so that way we can like.
It's not in the budget.
Next year. It's for next year.
Hey. Okay, we'll see how much money's left over. But I doubt it. If you're gonna get it at some point, you're gonna get to some damn point. Listen, it's probably not gonna. This is such a stupid thing to bring it to the end. You know you can't afford this. Is this funny?
No, this is not funny.
Then why the are you laughing?
Because like you said earlier.
I'm trying to figure your out. Buddy, how much do I need to set aside on a monthly basis? You were spending money on Twitch stuff. On Twitch stuff. So how much money do I set? You know what? This is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. Whatever money you bring in from Twitch, you can spend that on Twitch, but you cannot spend any more because right now you're spending double, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so $2,800 is your income. All right? That's what it is for sake. Your portion of rent and utilities altogether is $1,050, right?
Yes.
Is that including internet?
No.
What is internet for you?
50.
Car insurance.
It is about $200 a month since I prepay it. So I'm prepaid until 6 months from now. So, but I should put aside money so that way
it's gonna be $200 a month.
We don't know since we're switching providers since it was outrageous.
Phone bill.
I don't pay for my phone bill.
Parents.
Yeah.
Okay. Gas. Vroom vroom. Drive drive.
That is about $200 a month, give or take.
TP fund. Anything else you need to survive? It's gonna be $100. Food. You're gonna meal prep, cook a couple times a week, and refrigerate. $300. Do you have any pets?
My mom pays for them.
Including pet insurance?
Yes, she has everything for that because she knows that I need them, but
medical,
I can't
health care.
Mom.
Everything.
Yeah, because I'm under her
so,
plan.
to be clear, you're very still much dependent on someone.
I pay for copay.
You said, okay, how much on a monthly basis?
So I pay $50 because I go see my therapist twice a week or twice a month.
So $50 a month?
Yeah.
That's cheap. Okay, so to be clear, you are still dependent on someone. You said you didn't want to be and you refused to allow people to pay your meal, but you're very much still dependent on someone hearing all this.
Healthcare, it's just because she has a better plan.
No, and I get that. But again, with her paying for it, you're not even reimbursing her because she's getting money taken out before her pay hits.